everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a little retail football break. I got one box of 2018 Donruss Mega Box. Now, each Mega Box comes with 56 total cards. You got 7 retail packs of the base Donruss, and this year it has one bonus of 2017 Illusions. Now, they've done this last few years where you'll get some hobby packs. Like last year was just regular Donruss hobby packs, and I think the year before that it was Gridiron. So this year it's Illusions, kind of cool. So it does say look for Mega Box exclusive bronze parallels, 3 per box, and look for rookie Phantom jersey cards. It doesn't say it guarantees a jersey hit, so that might just be a bonus hit. So let's open this guy up. I picked this up at Walmart for right around $25, so you're looking for about $3 per pack. Alright, there's an Illusion pack right there. Feels pretty thick, but 5 cards, maybe it's a decoy. Alright, pack 1, this is a retail like I said, so just looking for some nice parallels with some rookies would be nice. Alright, Lawrence, Clark, Gilmore, Pouncey, Griffin. I got a bronze of Duke Dawson for the Patriots. Rookie bronze parallel. Cool. And we got Snow Days, Matt Stafford. That's a pretty cool looking card. And Alex Magoo, rookie for Seattle. Alright, pack 2. Chris Harris, Eli Manning, Kern, Jackson, Joe Mixon, and Abdullah bronze for the Lions. Second bronze one. And Rashad Penny, Gridiron Kings. And I got Ian Thomas, rated rookie, Panthers. Alright, decent amount of rookies, 2 bronze already. Nice to get 1 bronze per pack. Stafford, Walter Jones, Sherman, Galladay, Goff, Winston, and Sonny Michel. Nice. It's an elite base rookie. A cool looking rookie card. And Smythe for the Dolphins. That's a pretty cool card. Cam Newton, Sanzir, Blau Powell, Vic Beasley, Mike Williams, Joe Flacco, and Alvin Kamara. Team Heroes. Nice Josh Allen, base rated rookie. Yeah, the kit's code too, somebody wants that. Alright, 2 more packs, we'll get to Illusion. Harrison Smith, Fletcher Cox, Mahomes, Fournette, Reddick, Christian McCaffrey bronze, Man of the Year insert, Peyton Manning, and Conklin, rookie for the Vikings. Monty Adams, Lynch, Joe Theismann, Foreman, Thomas, Marlon Mack, and Jared Goff insert. Cool. And Nick Chubb, rated rookie, and Kids Reporter. Alright, last pack. I don't think I got a hit out of retail Donruss. That's alright. Brandon Marshall, Josh Gordon, Andy Dalton, Josh Allen. Got 2 Allen rookie cards in this one. Gridiron King rookie. And Cannon rookie for the Jets. Alright, here we go. It feels like a thick pack, so I know these cards are a little thicker. Oh, there is a thick decoy card in the middle. I haven't opened up Illusions in a while. We definitely have a hit. Ooh, yeah. Russell Wilson. Mike Evans, Big Ben, Thomas. Oh man, it's got some patch to it. Oh, Marshall Lynch and Perrine numbered 2 out of 25. It's a pretty cool Lynch. 2-color patch. Very cool. Nice little hit at a retail. And does say game used for the Lynch, so that's sweet. Alright, I say it was worth it with that illusion pack, definitely. You get a lot of rookies and pretty good looking base, but that definitely made the break there. That's it for this break of 2018 Donruss Mega Box, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.